Hard luck to Ikhuliso Mudau bafethu Limel is gonna be out for some time. Even coach Mamelodi Sundowns Miguel Cardoso uthe what a loss for Sundowns even the South African football because siyazi ukuthi next month bafana iqala ama-qualifier, so bayamdinga lo mjida lona uyi-important kakhulu ebholeni lase South Africa, but ukulimala kwakhe bafethu sibonile ukuthi bamthathe stretcher laphana bamthatha laphana i-medical team. Yeah, it's confirmed now ukuthi he's gonna be out for some time. Even the Sundowns ikhiphe statement esincane ukuthi uKhuliso Mudau ulimele. Lo mjida lona-ke ngiyazi ukuthi traditionally simbiza i-right back but is no longer a right back mombheka because ama-counter attacks we-Sundowns they curate ama-counter attacks wabo around uKhuliso Mudau because bayazi ukuthi uyi-bulletproof laphana esayidini lakwa-right. Mina lo mjida lo sekayi-wing. If you watch i-game against Kaizer Chiefs besikazimele laphana ku-right wing, khona omunye sengikhohle ukuthi ubani beka-drop amkhavarele ispace laphana and then seka-free as i-wing cause isikhathi esiningi bekabamba amabhola elanda i-Kaizer Chiefs azama uku-create ama-opportunities. That is why ngithi uKhuliso Mudau is one of the best players ku-modern era ku-South African football, but-ke to pinpoint him nje ku-right back would be just a disservice ngoba la operator khona kakhulu ku-right back sometimes cause bengibheka ama-stats ashawa omunye umdidi engimaziyo, angifuni ukumbiza cause akafuni ukuhlangana nezinto zami. Niyamazi lo mjida lona is super famous, is super influential ebholeni lase-South Africa. Ethi uKhuliso Mudau spenda more time kuma-opposition, espacing sama-opposition or close to laphana i-center line but esayidini lakwa-right uspenda isikhathi lapho than isikhathi la adefenda khona cause ku-Sundowns bamnika leso space leso ukuthi azenzele. The only time uKhuliso Mudau defender, it's when the team is really under pressure, maybe on the continent. That's the only time uKhuliso Mudau is a defender on the continent. La uzombona for 90 minutes isikhathi esiningi ungale kwe-center line, but-ke makadlala la ku-Betway Premiership ngoba kudlalwa nabomagesi, well Magesi bayi-relegated kudlalwa but nama-teams owabonayo na ukuthi ayikho indaba yala ma-teams lawo, so isikhathi esiningi ungale. But-ke sithemba ukuthi uKhuliso Mudau bafethu noma ngithi simfisela inhlanhla akwazi uku-recover fast, izinto zakhe zimlungele zimhambele kahle. We cannot lose this brilliant talent. Ezinye izinto bafethu zibuhlungu cause you are possibly the biggest star in the country, but ngoba sikubona as i-defender awukho kule conversation leyo ukuthi maybe ungaba i-player of the season ngoba even nalama awards South Africa rigged. I won't even talk about lezo zinto lezo, but enye into bengifuna ukuyikhava, maybe ngelinye ilanga ngiyoyikhava for abantu ukuthi bayi-understand ukuthi yenzeka kanjani lento leyo ukuthi i-presenter la ku-SuperSport elwini i-presenter search umuntu kuma-audition abamqashe based on ukuthi uyakwazi uku-host i-show, the next thing lowo muntu sekajaji ukuthi ubani i-player of the season. Udodi leyo nto ngicela ukuzibamba la nokwamanje ngithi danko.